Hey everyone, want to add shortcuts to your Google Chrome homepage for quick access to your favorite sites? Let me show you how. Alright, so when you open a new tab in Chrome, you'll usually see some shortcuts already there at the bottom. If you see a plus icon, you can just click that to add a new shortcut right away. But if you don't see that option, here's what to do. Click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome and scroll down to Settings. In Settings, search for Search Engine in the search bar. Make sure Google is selected as your default search engine. If it's not, change it to Google. Now, to add shortcuts to your homepage, open a new tab. You should see some default shortcuts like YouTube, Play Store, and Google already there. To add your own, click the plus icon. Let's say you want to add Gmail. Type Gmail as the name, then you need the URL. Here's the easy way. Open Gmail in a new tab, copy the URL from the address bar, go back to your new tab page, and paste that URL in the shortcut box. Click Done. And boom, your Gmail shortcut is now on your homepage. You can click it anytime for instant access. Want to add more? Just keep clicking that plus icon and repeat the process. You can add as many shortcuts as you want: Facebook, Twitter, your work dashboard, whatever you use most. And that's it. Super easy way to customize your Google Chrome homepage with all your favorite sites.